Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Mercedes ML W164. The cabin filter on this car is located in the engine bay compartment. It's located right there on the right side of the engine, just behind it. It's located right behind this cabin filter box. In order to remove this cabin filter box, we need to unlock those two metal clips. I'm going to use a screwdriver to unlock those metal clips, and I'm going to remove this housing afterwards. Now that this housing is removed, we can see the two cabin filters located in there. We're going to take them out and replace them with the new ones. That's one of the cabin filters out. You can see the airflow arrow is pointing down. Make sure you put them down that way when you put on the new filters. And that's the new cabin filters that we're going to put in there. Again, put them with the arrow pointing down. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the two cabin filters replaced. Now we're going to put on the cabin filter housing, and we're done with replacing the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.